Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered if we are alone in the universe, or could there be life on Mars? For centuries, Mars has captivated our collective imaginations. This red, distant world, not so unlike our own, has long been the subject of speculation, scientific study, and yes, the occasional sci-fi blockbuster. Our fascination with Mars goes beyond its crimson allure. We're drawn to its potential, the tantalizing possibility of life. Could this neighboring planet of ours hold the secrets to one of humanity's oldest questions? Are we alone in the universe? As you join me on this journey today, we'll delve into the exploration of Mars, tracing the path of numerous missions that have sought to uncover its mysteries. We'll look into the evidence collected, the theories proposed, and the technological advancements that have propelled our quest for extraterrestrial life. While the question remains unanswered, the search for life on Mars has led to many amazing discoveries. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, has a history that is as intriguing as its reddish appearance. This celestial body has been a part of human consciousness for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, have been fascinated by Mars. They saw it as a wandering star, a celestial deity, a harbinger of war. The Romans, in particular, were so enamored by its fiery hue that they named the planet after their god of war. But it wasn't until the 17th century that our understanding of Mars began to change, thanks to the invention of the telescope. Astronomers were able to observe Mars more closely, marking the beginning of the modern understanding of the red planet. In the late 19th century, Italian astronomer Giovanni Schiaparelli reported seeing canali, or channels on Mars, which was later misinterpreted as canals, suggesting the possibility of Martian civilization. While this was later debunked, it fueled the imagination of many and led to Mars becoming a staple in numerous science fiction works. In the 20th century, Mars moved from the realm of speculation to the realm of science. The space age, kicked off by the launch of Sputnik by the Soviet Union in 1957, opened up new possibilities for exploring Mars. Robotic spacecraft began visiting the planet, providing us with our first close-up images and data, influencing our understanding of Martian geology, atmosphere, and the possibility of life. This fascination with Mars has continued into the 21st century. Today, Mars is seen as a potential future home for humans. Robots and rovers continue to roam its surface, digging, drilling, and analyzing to learn more about the planet's past and its potential for supporting life. Our understanding of Mars has greatly evolved thanks to the advancements in technology and space exploration. From a distant, mysterious red dot in the sky to a planet that we are planning to colonize, Mars has come a long way in our collective consciousness. The history of Mars is a testament to human curiosity and our unending quest for knowledge. And that's the intriguing history of the red planet Mars. Our understanding of Mars has greatly evolved thanks to the advancements in technology and space exploration. The exploration of Mars began in the mid-20th century with a series of unsuccessful attempts. Like all great scientific endeavors, the journey to understanding Mars was paved with trials and tribulations. But as the saying goes, failure is the stepping stone to success. And in the case of Mars exploration, this couldn't be truer. The first successful mission to Mars was Mariner 4 in 1965. This brave little spacecraft, developed by NASA, was the first to return close-up images of another planet. It changed our perception of the red planet from a distant, mysterious world into a tangible, explorable landscape. The 70s saw the Viking missions, which were the first to land on Mars. Viking 1 and Viking 2 provided the first color panoramas of Mars, revealing a desolate world of rocks and dust, but also tantalizing hints of what might lie beneath the surface. Fast forward to the late 90s and early 2000s, we had the Pathfinder, Spirit, and Opportunity rovers, each one more advanced than the last, traversing the Martian landscape, analyzing rocks, and beaming back data and images that further deepened our understanding of this alien world. Then came the Curiosity rover in 2012, a car-sized, nuclear-powered laboratory on wheels which is still operational today. It discovered evidence of an ancient Martian environment that could have supported microbial life. And most recently in 2021, we have the Perseverance rover and Ingenuity helicopter, testing new technologies and searching for signs of ancient microbial life. This dynamic duo has already made history with Ingenuity's groundbreaking flights, the first powered flights on another planet. Through every mission, we've built upon the knowledge and experience of the previous ones, Each rover, each orbiter, each lander has been a stepping stone, bringing us closer to unraveling the mysteries of Mars. These missions have provided us with invaluable data about Mars and have brought us closer to answering the question of whether life exists on the red planet. One of the most significant discoveries on Mars is the presence of water. Imagine a barren and dry landscape, seemingly incapable of supporting life. But beneath this arid facade, Mars hides a significant secret. Evidence of water, a key ingredient for life as we know it, has been discovered on the red planet. Scientists have uncovered signs of ancient lakebeds and river valleys, suggesting that Mars once had a climate that could sustain liquid water. Instruments aboard the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter detected minerals in these ancient lakebeds and river valleys that could only form in the presence of water. This discovery points to an intriguing past where water may have flowed freely on the Martian surface. But it's not just about the past. Water, in its frozen form, has been found at the poles of Mars. The Mars Express orbiter's radar investigations have revealed a massive underground ice reservoir at the South Pole. This frozen water reserve could be more than 20 times the size of Lake Superior, the largest of the Great Lakes on Earth. It's a tantalizing hint that even today, Mars is not entirely devoid of the life-sustaining liquid. Now, why is the discovery of water so important? In our search for life beyond Earth, water is a critical component. It's a solvent that enables chemical reactions, a medium in which nutrients can be transported, and a habitat where organisms can grow and reproduce. In short, water is the elixir of life. So the evidence of water on Mars opens up exciting possibilities. Could there have been life on Mars when liquid water was abundant? Or could there be life even now, hidden in the icy reserves at the poles or in underground water pockets? The discovery of water on Mars has fueled the possibility of life existing on the planet, either in the past or present. It's a tantalizing thought, one that continues to drive our exploration and study of this fascinating planet. The exploration of Mars is far from over. In fact, it's just getting started. The next chapter in the story of Mars exploration is about to be written, and it promises to be a thrilling one. With the advancements in technology and our increasing understanding of the red planet, the future of Mars exploration is brighter than ever. In the coming years, we can expect a flurry of missions to Mars, both robotic and human. Robotic missions will continue to be vital, providing us with invaluable data about the Martian environment. They'll help us understand the planet's geology and climate, search for signs of ancient life, and pave the way for future human missions. But the most exciting prospect of all is undoubtedly human exploration. For decades, the idea of humans setting foot on Mars has been the stuff of science fiction. But now, it's becoming a tangible reality. Space agencies around the world, including NASA, are developing plans for manned missions to Mars within the next 2 decades. And private companies like SpaceX are also getting in on the action, with ambitious plans of their own. Of course, sending humans to Mars won't be easy. There are immense challenges to overcome. The journey alone would take several months, and once there, astronauts would have to contend with a harsh environment including freezing temperatures, thin atmosphere, and cosmic radiation. But the potential benefits are too great to ignore. Exploring Mars could help us answer fundamental questions about the universe, like whether life exists elsewhere. It could also pave the way for the eventual human colonization of Mars, opening up a whole new frontier for humanity. As we look to the future, it's clear that Mars exploration will continue to captivate us, to challenge us, and to inspire us. The red planet, with its rusty, rocky landscapes and its tantalizing mysteries, beckons. And as we continue to explore Mars, who knows what surprises the red planet has in store for us? So, is there life on Mars? The answer still eludes us. We've embarked on a journey through the red planet's fascinating history and its geological elements that hint at the possibility of life. We've traced the exploration timeline, witnessing the milestones and the challenges faced in our quest for knowledge. We've marveled at the discovery of water, a crucial element for life as we know it, hidden beneath the planet's icy surface. And we've peered into the future of Mars exploration, seeing the potential for more advanced missions and the continuous development of technology that might finally unravel the enigma. The search for life on Mars is a complex and intriguing puzzle. Each piece we find, each hypothesis we form, and each mission we undertake brings us closer to understanding this distant neighbor of ours. While we may not have found definitive proof of life on Mars yet, the search continues. And with each new discovery, we get one step closer to answering this age-old question.